have 10 Amazon products for a clutter-free and clean home, plus some organization hidden gems. Anything I talk about here today is linked in that description box below. I'll also pin it in the comments section. Scan the QR code on screen if you're watching from your TV or your iPad, and it will take you to everything I talk about here today. Let's do it. Oh, and always, nothing in this video is sponsored. These wall sconces are absolutely gorgeous. I've been using these battery-powered ones for quite some time now, and I had to share them with you. They become a favorite in our home. The set comes with 2 rechargeable bulbs, a remote, and a USB Type-C charging cable, making it super convenient. I love that the remote allows me to easily switch between the 3 color temperatures: warm light, warm white, and bright white, depending upon the mood or the room. Installation was such a breeze since there's no wiring or electrician needed, which is perfect for someone like me who isn't super handy. Full disclosure, my husband installed these. Plus, they're not only stylish, but they're also practical, especially during power outages. If you're looking for easy to install lighting that adds a cozy touch to any room, these are definitely worth considering. If you're like me and you love a versatile, easy to use lighting solution, the wireless glow rechargeable light bulbs are worth considering. With the remote control, you can easily adjust the color temperature and brightness to fit any mood or occasion. Whether it's a cozy night in, a lively party, or just setting a warm, inviting atmosphere at home, the battery is surprisingly reliable, giving you up to 24 hours of lighting at the lowest brightness after a full charge. And it's perfect for those areas without a hardwired power source. Plus, if you've got an old lamp that's seen better days, these bulbs can give it a new lease on life. The USB charging feature is super handy, and the intelligent timing function is a nice touch, offering convenience and energy savings by letting you set it to turn off automatically. I have loved using my automatic soap dispenser so much, I decided to try this one in my boys' bathroom, and it's been a huge game changer for them and for me. As you can see, it's easy to use, and my son has just the right amount of soap. No more spills or messes to clean up. The adaptability is fantastic. You can choose from 3 bubble settings to get just the right amount of soap, and the infrared sensor works reliably even in bright light. The full screen display is a nice touch, showing the inside temperature and remaining battery power. Plus, it's waterproof, so no worries if it gets splashed in the bathroom. What I love most is its versatility. You can use it with any type of soap, and the large capacity means fewer refills, lasting about 50 days for my boys. Installation was a breeze with the adhesive strip, no drilling required, and the long battery life is a big plus. Overall, it's been a solid addition in our home. If you ever struggled with dirty grout, this grout cleaner is a must try. Unlike some harsh cleaners that can damage surrounding surfaces, this one is gentle yet effective. It's safe to use on stone, tile, porcelain, and even colored grout without worry. I love that it comes with a granite gold grout brush, making it easy to really get in there and remove stubborn dirt. Spray it on your grout, let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then give it a good scrub. As you can see, it lifted a lot of dirt in just 2 to 3 minutes. I wash my floors every single week, and this was really shocking to see. Full disclosure, this grout was not white when it was installed, and that makes it harder to see the difference. So if you have darker grout or really dirty grout, you may need to repeat the process, and remember to let it fully dry in order to see the difference. Usually it takes several hours for the grout to fully dry. I also tested this in my girls' bathroom, which has lighter grout, as you can see, and it did a better job of showing the difference. The spray and wipe formula is super convenient, and I appreciate that it's safe for food prep areas with no strong odors or harmful chemicals, which makes me so happy because my little ones are usually barefoot running around the house. It's made grout cleaning way easier and safer in my home. I'm going to give this product a huge thumbs up. I have a #1 bestseller for you, and I use it, I would say, at least 4 times a year. I cannot rave enough about my Bissell little green machine. If you're looking for one must-have cleaning tool, this is it. I've used it on everything: couches, chairs, beds, carpets, rugs, and it never disappoints. My white couches take a beating during the summer with kids jumping on them after a day outside covered in sweat and sunscreen. The little green machine is gentle on fabric and effectively pulls out excess water, cutting down on drying time. Plus, the amount of dirt and grime it lifts is incredible, and can I just say, oddly satisfying? The powerful suction, large tank capacity, and portable design make it easy to tackle stains and odors from all sorts sorts of surfaces. Trust me, whether for your own home or as a gift, this machine is a game changer. And oftentimes this is on sale on Amazon, so make sure that you are following me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning, especially Instagram stories. And I also post on the community tab what I post on Instagram stories. So if you miss it on Instagram, you'll get it on the community tab as well. You know I'm obsessed with organizing spaces because you can find things easier, it saves you time, and it just looks overall more aesthetically pleasing. I've been using these roller storage bins and they've been a game changer for keeping things organized around my house. The set comes in 3 different sizes, which is perfect for customizing storage based on your needs. Whether it's drinks in the fridge, documents in the office, or snacks in the pantry, we got lots of those. These bins can handle it all. The built-in handle and bottom pulley design make it super easy to slide them in and out of deep cabinets or shelves. And the U-shaped side opening is really convenient for quickly grabbing what you need. Plus, the clear plastic makes it easy to see what's inside, so no more digging around. The material feels sturdy and the smooth edges are a nice touch. No worries about snagging your fingers or items. Overall, they are a solid addition to any space where you need a bit more organization. This makes Mama so happy. This is also an absolute must-have. You know that thing that you didn't know you needed and then you get it and you're like, where has this been my entire life? It's this over-the-sink colander. This has been such a game changer in my kitchen. It's so versatile. I use it for literally everything from rinsing fruits and veggies to draining pasta and even air drying some dishes. I love that it's adjustable, expanding from 14 to 19 inches, so it fits perfectly over my sink without taking up too much space. The raised bottom keeps drained water from backing up into the food, which is a nice touch. The only downside is that the holes are a bit too big for smaller grains like rice. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. These produce containers have been a lifesaver for keeping my fruits and veggies fresher for longer. I love that they come with a water drain tray that keeps everything separate from any drippings. No more soggy strawberries. I will even place a paper towel sheet down to help soak up any excess water. They come in 3 different sizes, which is perfect for organizing everything from berries to larger veggies like celery and asparagus. The stackable design is a great space saver in the fridge, and they're made from BPA-free plastic, so I feel good about using them. Just a heads up, they're easy to clean with warm soapy water, but be careful with the dishwasher as high temperatures could damage them. Here's one that's going to make your life so much easier, and it's a great space saver. These aloe vera soothing gel packets. I love using aloe vera, and it's quickly become a staple in my daily routine. We also love using it on our kids after they've been exposed to the sun for a long period of time. It's perfect for moisturizing our skin, leaving it feeling soft without that greasy or sticky feeling some gels can leave behind. The relief it provides for sunburns and razor burns is almost instant, which is a lifesaver after a day in the sun or a quick shave. Hello, ladies. I love that it's 98% pure aloe and free from harsh chemicals, ideal for my sensitive skin. Plus, it's available in different container options. A tube that's perfect for your bag, a jar for your home, and a pouch for travel. It's versatile and convenient, and I'm really impressed with how well it works. Got a snack attack? I know I have quite a lot of those. I've got to say, this to-go container has quickly become a favorite in our house for on-the-go snacks. I love that it has a split design so I can keep veggies and dips separate. No more soggy snacks. The smaller compartment even has a flip lid, which is great for things like yogurt, keeping everything secure. The easy locking clip with a flexible seal are a game changer, helping to keep food fresher for longer. Plus, it's BPA free and safe for the dishwasher. You can microwave it without the lid. You can use it in your fridge and your freezer. And because it's stackable, I'm already planning to buy more. Remember to follow me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning, especially Instagram stories, and sign up for that free newsletter linked in the description box below. Let's keep the fun going. Click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.